Today we are 3D printing out a BMW 140. Let's get into it. The description of this model does say to print in SLA, however I'm going to print it in FDM using my new 3D printer, the Creality K2 Plus. So I messed up, no surprise there. This is the shell of the BMW, and I don't know if you can tell, but there are some very gappy lines, and I believe that is called stepping. And it is not the printer's fault, it is purely my fault with the slicer settings. If I'm being honest, it's actually not that bad. I think I can live with it, but I may just end up printing out a brand new one. But this thing is literally hollow, so it takes up a lot of support material, but it is what it is. So we have the body of the BMW reprinted out, and it has come out significantly a lot better. There's no really any lines compared to this one. This one is just simply way too liney compared to this. So 10 times better. We have the interior of the car, which has been vapor chambered. And it has not come out too bad. It could be better, but it is what it is with this. You're not really going to see it inside of the car. We have the seats, which has also been vapor chambered. That's why you got this like little shiny glow to it. We have the tyres, which I also like how they've come out. And of course you have the rims themselves. So now let's go ahead and piece it together with a bit of epoxy glue. And this model is now done. So I'm not going to lie to you, printing out this car was a bit of a nightmare. Not necessarily printing it, but putting it together was a bit of a nightmare. I feel like it could have been a little bit more better designed. It came out looking really nice, so you just got to take the bad with the good. But unfortunately, that's all the time that I have, so I'll catch you guys later in another video.